We are on full quarantine.
New York will be put on pause as a city that never sleeps and the entire state shut down all non-essential businesses.
The entire state of California ordered to stay at home. That's 40 million people. The global death toll has now topped 10,000. Almost 250,000 cases have been recorded.
What's going on, guys? And I'm back. Today I wanted to talk about the whole coronavirus epidemic and how it's just affecting everyone. I mean, businesses are closing, restaurants are closing, movie theaters are closing. I mean, in a few weeks, I think everything's gonna be shut down except for, essential businesses. A lot of people are being laid off. And I honestly think it's gonna keep getting worse before it gets better. And for all the people that are partying and saying that this coronavirus won't affect them, you guys should be ashamed of yourselves because this is a serious epidemic. So is this affecting e-commerce? Yes, this is, guys. This is affecting any business. I have a supplier in the USA right now, and so far everything's good. And I also have another supplier in China that is also still good. My advice for you guys is to not scale. You gotta take it down a notch right now because we honestly don't know what's gonna go on in the next couple weeks. And people are wondering if it's a good time to dropship right now. Honestly, I mean, any time is good, but right now you have to think, a lot of people are in their homes, they're on their phone, they're on the internet. And also, guys, Shopify has a 90-day free trial right now. Like, it's insane. You get 3 months for free. You don't have to pay at all. If you see a product that you're interested in, email the supplier and see what's going on with them. In China, some suppliers are working, some are not. And also, if you want to look for a USA supplier, go on AliExpress and filter USA suppliers. A lot of people don't know that, but you can definitely do that. You can look for USA suppliers. The product might be a little more expensive than China, obviously, but at least it's in the USA, so shipping times will be a lot faster. So you guys, stay safe, don't party, stay in your house, learn a new skill. I'm actually gonna start, like working out at home. I mean, I haven't worked out in so long. Maybe I'll record it, maybe I'll make some YouTube videos about it. I don't know, we'll see. I honestly believe after all this is over, dropshipping is just gonna be even more crazy. It's gonna go up, more people are gonna get into it. But like, comment, subscribe, comment below what you guys wanna see in the next video, and make sure to join my Facebook group. The link is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.